Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to clear YouTube history. At first we need to log in our YouTube account. Once we logged in our YouTube account, on the left side we will see couple of menu options are there. We have to come down a little bit, and over here there is a option or menu. It's called history. We have to click this history, and once you click history you'll see all the YouTube watch history is there. Now we need to delete everything. To delete this thing we have to come right side, and there are a couple of menus are there. So to delete everything or clear all the history, we have to choose the first option, clear all watch history. Once we click here, it will bring this type of window. It is asking, are we sure to clear the history? If we are sure, then we have to press this clear watch history, this button. I'm going to click this on, and very shortly it will delete all the history from my YouTube account. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily clear YouTube history. Thank you guys for watching the video.